Yeah, there was like a super nice Porsche, but I wasn't in the 350Z. I was in this big, slow piece of shit, so I couldn't catch up to it. Yeah, it's all literally anytime I'm in the 350Z, I don't really see anything nice at all. But then as soon as I'm in this or the Pathfinder, I see all the nice stuff. Like I've seen Lamborghinis and Ferraris and McLarens. I've seen countless amounts of things, and as soon as I'm in the 350Z, nothing. So it's just like, yeah, just F me, huh? Well, people, I didn't think it would be gone so soon, but it looks like some guys are coming to pick up the 350Z. They're local, so I'm still going to be able to see the car. The car is being sold with the wheels. They're doing cash today and then a payment plan on the wheels. So I'm going to take everything out the car, going to write up the bill of sale, going to go grab the title and everything. Then I also may be picking up a car later today, so you guys will see everything. So yeah. Well, yeah. Would you look at that? So, I guess, such is life. Everything's a go. So, I guess you guys just gotta see. I'll get back to you guys in a little while. Let me get to it. Well, it looks like the 350Z has gone to a new owner. And I guess you guys are just gonna have to see what I get later. It's gonna be in one of the clips later on in the rest of the day. So,
yo, people, so we're out here. You know, we're out here together. We're doing good things. We're gonna, you know, stay motivated on the builds. That's it.
Exactly. It's gonna live on in the channel because they are local. I almost died, yeah. But we're still gonna go visit. Exactly. Partners, 2 new friends.
Yeah, for sure.
The Z is local. We're still gonna see it in the channel. I'm gonna go visit them whenever they're gonna come visit me. They actually are near Lauren's shop. So, you know, whenever I go to visit Lauren's shop, I'll stop by. The Z will probably be there. They'll be there. So, you know, it's gonna live on. And the wheels are still on the Z, and that's something I really wanted the person who bought the Z to keep the wheels, because it suits the car so much. And yeah,
I'm gonna clean it up. It's gonna be fucking sparkly today.
Detail, it's gonna be well taken care of for sure.
This is yeah.
And then like
wow.
This is, you know, it's all good stuff, dude. It's all gonna be great stuff. You're gonna see it, dude, blasting around for sure.
That's such, oh man, people are still gonna be, oh Jermaine, I just saw your car. Like, no, yeah. I don't own it anymore. Yeah. Got you, bro.
We out here, bro. God bless you. God bless. We're out here.
No problem. I'll stay in touch. And just like that, the 350Z is gone. But that's not the last you'll see of it. Well, man, that's such a bittersweet feeling, but there's definitely more things to come. So stay tuned, people. Stay tuned. I was actually looking at one of these, an E55 AMG. I want one because they are really fast. They come with, I believe, what is it, 500 or 550 crank horsepower, and with a couple bolt-ons and a tune, which is just a flash tune on the ODB2 port, they'll make 550 wheel. So it's just like a pulley, heat exchanger, I believe like a meth thing, and you make 550, and they come on air. So you just put like these little brackets on and you can literally dump it to the ground. So yeah, and I've seen a couple of these like that need minor work for around 5,500, which is a good price. And the work, I've seen videos, I could probably do it myself and get it all done for under $1,000. So Yeah, these and the CL55 AMGs, same thing, just different body, but same engine, all the same. Love them. The sedans are pretty nice, although I'm not too much of a fan of sedans. I love this engine, and yeah, but these cars, amazing. E55s, SL55, and the CL55 AMGs, insane. But yeah, and again, if you guys are in the Hyde Park area, Dynamic Motorsports. We got this Bagged GTI right here. This thing is nice. The color is insane. I always loved yellow cars, just like the RSX. This yellow car is bagged. Shout out to this guy right here. But but yeah, this thing is sick. I just love yellow cars. Just, they're beautiful. That blow-off valve though. So yeah, this just happened. That's funny. What an eventful day. But yeah. Not bad at all. Rust, little things, but yeah. You know, shout out to the bro for coming through and driving the MBX back, but you know, throwing a little bit of gas. And yeah, we out now.